So I'm sitting here with Mark from ECM Manufacturing. I'm going to talk about his R11 a little bit. Mark, I just kind of want to pick your brain. So what got you to create your own frame?
After the Navy, I worked in various machine shops, and I fell in love with the 365 when it first dropped the first jet. It was just too small. It wasn't heavy enough for me.
Yeah.
I understood that when it first came out, it was a concealed carry firearm. It can have fun. But what I fell in love with was the modularity. So, one to 2011 style P365 that fit true to the form. Fit. So, that's how my RB for is to.
And that beaver tail feels amazing in your hand too. It just hooks real tight.
Your purchase really gets up in.
And that's got to do a lot for keeping that muzzle down too.
It does. So that one there, the views here, this is an FDS upper kit with this packet technology on top of that. With this slide barrel accordion, and it just when you see people shooting,
it's just back and forth and no up and down.
So then this one here is a true R11. It's more of its own unique, individualistic gun. It's our slide. We put a half-death barrel in it, and seeing it looks more finished out.
Yeah,
and it feels even more balanced.
That's a good look on that slide. I like those cuts. It looks mean.
We brought this from the 2011 world. If you look at some of the 2011 makers, you'll see those the way that their serrations are put in.
Yeah, that's awesome. Down right away too. So how long have you been working on these?
We started this project probably July of last year.
Okay, so not relative, about a year old now.
Yeah,
just coming up on it.
We didn't start. So there was a lot of mailing back and forth. We started prototypes were 3D printed.
Yeah.
From that we created. We 3D printed probably 6 or 7 of them. Didn't like it. Kept changing it. And finally, when we got to the first one, I said, okay. We went ahead. We prototyped it. I had Will from FDS Cerakoted. Next thing you know, we're at the range. Will I shoot this thing, and he's like, "Oh my gosh."
It game over for him after that.
Right? And he was like, Mark, I think you're on something. Well, let's see.
Yeah.
So, huge thanks to him for that. We ran the original one with an FDS XL slide. So, great product on it.
Now, what's going on with these grip panels? Are these replaceable?
Yeah, so you can, that's what's nice. These are like watches, the way I look at them. You can change them out. We have 3 or 4 different variations right now. They pop in, and the only way to get them out is to remove the metal.
Okay, perfect. And then let's talk holster compatibility, because we do have these thumb ledges here. And I know sometimes with products like this, with the thumb ledges, especially aftermarket ones, there's a hard time finding holster compatibility. And before we started filming here, you were kind of touching base on what holsters these actually fit into. So kind of what holsters that you know of right now fit with this R11, so that somebody picks it up, they can order it and start carrying right away.
Right, so Watchdog Tactics. CJ, his holsters, I think was the first one. Then we have Tier 1.
Nice.
Fits it. TacRick, also, his system fits it. QBO Tactical.
Yep.
I'm
carrying a QVO Tactical today, actually.
Okay, so QVO makes one. Then there's like 2 or 3 other ones, as well as Simsala themselves. They're what you can buy for the age.
Oh, really?
Yes, move the retention knobs a little bit, and what we're finding out, the R11 family is huge, and everybody's always trying different things. So on Instagram, we have R11 family, which you have to be an owner to get into there, but we share all kinds of information. And Gamage down in Florida, he kind of had to start doing this. And then just kind of grew from there. So everybody trying different holsters and talking about what holsters we can put.
Well, that's one of the things, too, with products, especially new products. You have your kind of controlled environment that you work with. So once you get everything out there, then you kind of start learning new things. So having a group like that, where you get feedback from people that are using it, doing all these situations, that's invaluable.
It is, and that's why I'm very thankful of the family. the R11 family we do have. There's a lot of knowledge for people in there. So I'm very appreciative of everyone there.
Amazing. And soon you're going to see some of this content on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these up from Mark within the next few weeks. And we're going to start pushing content with this R11 and really seeing what it can offer and what it's about, how well it runs, especially compared to other ones like the Mischief Machine Grip Modules, OEM Grip Modules. I have a Tyrant CNC one, which is polymer, so same but different. And we're going to kind of see how it stacks up next to those. What's your social media? Where can people find you guys?
We're ECM MFG on Instagram. Our website is ecmprecision.com. You have to put it in there. Google says, they can't get past their algorithm. And then on Facebook, we're ECM MFG as well.
Perfect. That's awesome. And where are you guys based out of, Mark?
We're based out of Morrisville, North Carolina.
Awesome. Mark, I really appreciate it. You have some amazing products here, and you can really see the innovation that you put into these and that you found in, and the hard work and craftsmanship really shows off. This is an amazing grip module.
Thank you.
So I'm looking forward to picking one of these up from you soon and doing some content with it and really working with you to give you some feedback on it myself. I appreciate it, Mark. Thanks so much for meeting me today.